Aloha, I'm Chad Engel. I'll be new to your school this year. I'm very excited to be with all of you, and I can't wait to meet all of you in person. Anyways, I created this Google Classroom presentation using Prezi. And the reason why I created it is because with this being in the middle of this pandemic and COVID-19, it's important we have something we can use that addresses our three learning models of the in-person, the blended learning model, and the remote learning model. And what I mean by addressing that is that we don't know which model we're going to be in. We could change day by day, it can change week by week. It could be one way the entire year, whatever it may end up being. Google Classroom is a great way for us to address, regardless of whatever model we're in, the needs of our students. What I mean by that is using Google Classroom, you essentially view it as your whiteboard. So that whiteboard you traditionally have posted in your classroom essentially is now digital and live and gives all the students the different tasks and assignments, objectives, learning targets, whatever it may be that you need to share with them. It can be shared through Google Classroom. So why Google Classroom? First off, Google is the leader in online learning platforms. Our district, Hawaii now, has actually transitioned from using Lotus Notes to using Gmail. So it is a Google, we are a Google approved district. It's something we're encouraged to use. Everything saves in Google Drive. So anything you put in a Google Classroom or create in Google Classroom, whether it's Google Slides, Google Docs, or even the student creates, gets automatically saved to Google Drive. This is awesome because you know where the work's at, you know how to access it, and additionally, it doesn't take up any memory on your computer, so you keep your computers running longer and faster for a much greater period of time. Most learning programs allow you to post straight to Google Classroom, such as Epic Reading or Project Math. As long as there's a hyperlink, there's a way to usually post it in within Google Classroom. There's an app for most school programs. So like, for example, Google Classroom itself, you put it on your smartphone, you get auto updates for when students turn in work. You can edit and change things as needed through that smartphone app. I myself, this past summer school and in prior years, have used that app numerous times to make edits to simple typos and change up assignments, ask questions, and etc. And it allows, once again, for that seamless transition for blended learning. So regardless if we're doing in-person, blended learning, or remote, Google Classroom allows us to address all those different things. Now, I'm not going to go through step by step within this Prezi presentation. I'm just going to give you an overview of what it looks like. It starts with creating Google Classroom, then it goes to Stream, Classwork, People, Google Meet, and Grades. Those are all the big areas and things you need to know within Google Classroom. Majority of your slides are going to look like this. You're going to see a step-by-step process or bullet points and give you an explanation of how to do things within Google Classroom. And then these awesome demonstration videos created by Mr. Eric Kurtz. He's a great person who actually creates all these different videos and how you can use all the latest Google products, the latest Google technologies. And they're very awesome if you're a beginner or if you're wanting to like actually improve your own skills, like I've done myself. I've watched his videos to improve what I already know. But whether you're a beginner or advanced, he does a great job of explaining all the new and latest best features of Google, pretty much anything. So each of these slides we set up just like this. Example, if I wanted to look at Stream, then I want to go into Classwork. And when I go into Classwork, I'm going to see my bullet points here or steps. So you give you explanation of things to think about and things to know in terms of that category within Google Classroom, in this case, Classwork. And then there'll be a supporting demonstration video from Eric Kurtz. Now, once you get through creating the Stream, Classwork, People, Google Meet, Grades, designing your classroom, once you get to here, you have gone through all of the best features of using Google Classroom. Now you need to think about the design of your Google Classroom. Some important things to think about. Just like you do in your regular classroom. Number one, create a routine design for learning. Whatever that routine is that you have your students do in your regular classroom, it should be mirrored within your Google Classroom. Then number two, have consistent expectation for how to use Google Classroom. What I mean by that is, where do the students go to first when they enter your Google Classroom? Do they immediately go to a bell ringer question? Do they immediately go to working in teams, commenting on something, working on a project? What are those things they immediately go to, and that your consistent expectation for how to use Google Classroom? No, this routine design is most necessary for classwork. This should be viewed similarly to how you post assignments and learning objectives on your whiteboard within your regular classroom. So however you organize your whiteboard or the way you present or your teacher style in your regular classroom, do your best to be creative and post it similarly to where it mirrors itself within Google Classroom. Lastly, once you're done, please add my cell phone number to text me. If you have any questions as needed, just email me. I'll be happy to give you my cell phone number. I know in the midst of us being in this pandemic and learning technology and everything else going on, and just learning in general and we have questions, we really need immediate answers right away. So please email me. I'll give you my cell phone number. You can text me for any of those questions. Mahalo for watching and listening and going through the entire presentation. Now and once you're done learning about the different things you're curious about Google Classroom, additional resources for help. ControlAchieve.com. This is Eric Kurtz's website where you can find all the different things, the latest resources for Google Classroom, as well as if you're interested in other Google apps. He has a bunch of different demonstration videos on how to use those different things, such as Google Slides, Google Docs, and etc. This is the link to the support Google.com site. This gives you the most common questions and errors that occur within Google Classroom that come from different users. You can click on those questions and it gives you a bunch of help and solutions to addressing those different questions. Here's my email once again. Please email me if you are someone that's very new to Google Classroom, or if you are really having struggles with using Google Classroom or you don't feel comfortable with technology. Please email me. I'll give you my cell phone number. You can text me as needed, and please feel comfortable to do so, because I know with learning technology and with everything else going on, it's very powerful to get that immediate answer right away. If I don't know it, I'll make sure to find a resource and point you in the right direction the best I can. Once again, I'm Chad Engel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the Prezi and learning all about Google Classroom. And I look forward to meeting all of you in person. Thank you.